Hi, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm very excited to take you through a brand new boat from Aviara that we have available. This is a 2024 AV32 Outboard. Let's take a look. Starting off at the transom of the boat, this boat is powered by twin V8 4.6 liter 300 horsepower Mercury Verados with joystick. Great power for this boat, gets on plane very quickly and sees top end speeds of around 50 miles per hour. These engines also feature the top cowling service door, so you can remove the entire cowling with a single lever and check and change your oil with ease. We've got a fully walkable transom along the back with SeaDek foam flooring throughout, so it's very comfortable. Reboarding from the water on this boat is very easy, safe, and convenient with a telescoping reboarding ladder on the starboard side. Large transom Sunpad on the aft end, great for hanging out or entertaining, and very versatile as well. You can convert this Sunpad to stadium-style seating that can seat 3 couples very comfortably, all facing the water. So I can have a backrest here, facing the water. Kids are in the water hanging out and swimming. I can see them, make sure they're safe. And likewise, I can also have people seated comfortably behind me with another elevated perspective of the water. These headrests come down just like a desk chair, so super easy to raise and lower. Backrests, ratchet back down, and easily convert back to the Sunpad. We have 6 cup holders total, along with storage beneath these cushions, along with access to the boat's battery charger outlet and battery switches. Beneath this center section is also water connections for the engine flush and the freshwater fill. Coming forward, a nice storage locker here with dedicated fender storage. Bigger boats require bigger fenders. You've got a designated space for those fenders so they're not taking up otherwise space that you could use for beach bags, towels, things of that nature. Coming down to the cockpit, very intentional access from the transom into the cockpit, which continues further towards the bow, not having to displace any passengers to get to everything. L-shaped seating in the cockpit with a nice high sculpted backrest and sculpted cushions. This is a cool touch vinyl, so we have the cayenne or tan colored upholstery, still very cool to the touch, even on a hot summer day. Comfortable seating throughout the boat, especially for lounging. We have cup holders here, along with grab rails for safety. We even have multiple charging ports for all of your electronics. Beneath the 3 seats, we've got a large storage box here, which is currently containing the boat's full boat cover. We have a designated space for the cockpit table, which mounts here on a J-shaped arm. And we have one of 2 coolers on board, this one here on the port side, which is removable. Coming over to the starboard side, our wet bar area, 3 cup holders on the aft end, large Corian countertop space that raises up to expose a wet bar with bottle storage for wine or champagne bottles. This area also makes for a great cooler in that you can fill it full of ice. We've got another storage box here, which is drained, so you can use it to keep dry goods or throw some drinks on ice as well. Beneath the counter space, we've got a very large storage cabinet, great for keeping beach bags, portable coolers, cooler bags, and then this drawer is yet another pull-out removable cooler. We also have 2 trash cans on board the boat, one here and one further forward on the port side. Fuel fills on both sides of the boat, port and starboard, make it very easy and convenient to refuel this boat when you're pulling up to the marina. We'll notice the speakers on board are done in black and matching interior gel coat, so it's a very seamless and clean look. This is a Klipsch sound system, great sound system for this boat, including speakers up into the hardtop. Speaking of the hardtop, huge hardtop, great for sun coverage on this boat. The gel coat matches the interior on the underside. We also have additional shade with the touch of the button at the helm. We've got a make fast shade that scissors outward. Very smooth, very fast, and very quiet to shade this entire transom area. The boat also comes with stainless steel stanchions that connect from the top of the shade down to the back of the transom, so you can have this deployed while you're underway to keep the shade supported. Coming forward to the helm area, double wide helm with 2 bolsters that work independently of each other, so your driver can lean with an angled footrest in a very comfortable position with a steering wheel that is on a tilt base, while your observer can sit comfortably. And likewise, the driver can do the same. Your controls, we have digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados, very smooth to operate. Your joystick is conveniently located and positioned. We even have a padded area here for your arm, which also is a glove box, which contains the VHF radio and a couple of charging ports. This boat also has cooled cup holders at the helm. We've got our digital start and stops, active trim. Our trim tab remote is here. Also have another induction style phone charger for the captain, and then a very modern digital display at the helm. 3 screens. Screen on the far left controls everything from the boat's lights, pumps, sound system, features on board including the shade, engine compartment, windlass anchor, anything you need boat related. Center screen is your MFD for your chart plotter, sonar, engine data, and then the smaller screen on the starboard side is a redundant screen of the middle screen, but it's really intended to have engine data so you can have that up at all times and have your chart plotter up at all times as well. Windshield wiper for the boat, and then a great feature on all the Aviaras is this powered engine compartment, which you can control with the touch of a digital button at the dash, which offers you an abundance of storage in the aft portion of the boat, in addition to easy access to the boat's batteries, power steering pumps, the boat's battery charger, anything electrical and mechanical that you need to access. The boat also has RGB lighting, so it illuminates really nicely at night, and you can do colors from blue to green, orange to red, anything on the color wheel. So now we'll transition from the helm to the head area. Nice oversized head door with a magnetic catch to hold the door open. 2 steps down into the head, a lot of headroom, just under 6 feet of headroom. Plenty of space to use the facilities very comfortably, also makes for a great changing space as well. We've got a freshwater sink down here, 2 deep cabinets for storage, and this boat also has an overboard discharge for the toilet, in addition to a towel rack. Overhead lighting in here as well, in addition to a vanity mirror that's built into the door. Our second trash can on board is for just of this port side lounger. We do have the ability to block off this bow area from the cockpit. So I can open up the windshield, fold out this block off door to lock in place, and likewise do the same with the windshield. Keep some of that cooler air out of the cockpit on colder running days. So now here in the bow area, one of the best seating areas on the boat. Very deep and comfortable seating, especially for younger kids. They're gonna feel safe and secure inside. We have a cooler box beneath the port side cushion, cup holders, stereo remote, speakers, charging ports, and LED lighting throughout. We also have our storage locker for our remote controlled anchor windlass. You have a remote control for this up front here, in addition to the controls you have at the dash. And there's also a washdown sprayer. Some of the aesthetics on board, you'll notice this is the dark gray exterior gel coat. The exterior colors on this boat from Aviara are very striking. We have a dark gray exterior gel coat complemented with a black accent and a black bottom. The hardtop is very elegant with a black exterior, which complements the black accent and all the black hard material surfaces on board. We have a light gray or white interior gel, black satin finishes on the billet aluminum material for all of the hardware, which also includes the recessed cleats. That's a walkthrough of this Aviara AV32 Outboard. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. And thanks for watching.